Improve the sound quality of your contents using this Lark M1 Duo wireless microphone from Hollyland. Tara, i-unbox natin yung Hollyland Lark M1 Duo 2-person wireless microphone system na may 2.4 GHz. Ang pinaka nagustuhan ko dito sa microphone na to is meron siyang built-in device identification, auto-adjust sa volume setting on your connected mobile phone or camera. Pag nag-order ka nitong Hollyland, meron siyang free pouch for your microphone's protection. FYI nga pala, itong Lark M1 Duo is compatible with both Android and iOS operating systems. Syempre, pwedeng-pwede din to sa mga vloggers na merong Sony, Canon, Nikon, Fujifilm, and Panasonic cameras. What's good about this Lark M1 is meron siyang 8 hours battery life. Fast charging pa siya. So once depleted na yung mga microphones mo, it can recharge in just 1.5 hours using the included charging case. Component features a USB-C port for direct charging. Merong LED indicator sa case niya para malaman mo yung battery status and flashes when the case is recharging. Meron din siyang 2 included windscreens that can be attached to the transmitters to mitigate interference from the wind. Meron din siyang plug-and-play pairing, allows you to use the system right out of the box. Kita nyo dito, meron siyang 3.5mm TRS and 3.5mm TRRS cables with select cameras and smartphones with 3.5mm ports. Syempre, hindi rin mawawala dito yung mga paperworks. Meron silang after-sales card para mag-thank you sila sa pagbili mo ng product nila. And for them to build long-term success and lasting customer relationships as they valued your customers to buy your products. Syempre, hindi rin mawawala dito yung user manual ng Lark M1 and the quick guide on how to use this Lark M1 microphone. Medyo plastic nga pala yung case niya. Oops. By the way, merong smart noise cancellation itong product na to. Pwede mong i-turn on anytime sa microphone mismo. Dito sa Lark M1 may 3 different volume settings that can be toggled depending on your recording setting. Use high when recording from a long distance, medium when interviewing in an open space, or low for recording in a small office or closed studio. Grabe guys, audio can be transmitted from up to 656 away. Salamat sa 2.4 GHz auto frequency hopping technology and upgraded bat obstacle avoidance 2.0 technology to prevent cut-offs or interference. Try natin. Actually, ginagamit ko na siya at meron siyang clip on the back para malagay mo siya sa t-shirt mo or sa pantaas mo. Right now, merong electric fan sa harap ko and I'm not using the microphone. Nalagay naman natin ngayon yung microphone. Mic test. Tanggalin natin to. Ayan. Hello, mic test. Mic test. Click the yellow basket or click the link in my bio to order.